what is the positive side, or what are the positive effects of enrolling your child in a summer math class. Stay tuned.
It's time for Tip Tuesdays with Dr. Shanna Grant.
So first and foremost, of course, your child will get the opportunity to go ahead of the curve and start way ahead of their colleagues when they start their math class, right? Because they're going to be introduced to the different concepts that they may be seeing in the upcoming school year. And so they will be very familiar with what it is that they need to do and be able to master their concepts a little bit quicker than they would if they did not enroll in a summer math class. Now, usually summer classes are a lot smaller. I know our summer classes are. We have about a 6-to-1 ratio where we have 6 students to 1 instructor. And so since the summer class sizes are smaller, your child will get the benefit of that closer, smaller class size. And so they'll be able to ask as many questions as they would like so they can get as much clarification on the different concepts that they're going to be learning. And so that they can, of course, as I lead into the next one, boost their confidence, right? So the more that students are able to ask questions, interact with their instructor, and do things on their own, then their confidence is boosted, right? Which leads me into the next point where they will have a big boost in their confidence if they enroll in a math summer class. And so this is the case because they're doing constant activities. Of course, hopefully they're getting them right. And even if they're not, they're learning from their mistakes so that when they actually enroll in their classes and they start afresh in the fall, then they'll have that confidence to feel that they can do it and that they can master the topics that they're going to be doing. And next, a very great thing that summer math classes provide is an opportunity for students to bridge learning gaps, right? And this may be from past classes, whether it's the last school year or the school year prior to, right? That we can bridge that gap or whatever gaps that may be there, right? So that they can be solid on their foundation when they start their upcoming school year. And of course, lastly, enrolling your child in a summer math class will prevent summer learning loss, right? We discussed this in our last video, and I'll link it here so you can see where we discuss the disadvantages of not enrolling your child in a summer math class. But of course, if you do enroll your child, then they will not have summer learning loss because their brain is constantly active, doing activities, learning and engaging. And so when it's time for the school year, they will be able to retain the information, dive right in, and master math.